Morels are amazing. They have the power to bring a dish from good to exceptional. I'm making a fillet of trout with a morel and maple jam. Morels are a delicacy. They're collected seasonally by wood foragers, and they grow rampant in areas that have been affected by wildfire. So these dried morels are hard. I need to plump them back up and reconstitute them. So this is some veg stock that I've had boiling. It's nice and hot. And I'm basically making a mushroom tea. I'm gonna steep these babies in the hot broth for about 10 minutes, and they're gonna become nice and plump. Oh yeah, this looks great. So you see that? How those morels, they've just soaked up all that broth and plumped up? Delicious. They've also flavored the broth with all that great earthy morel flavor. Now I'm gonna hit this with more flavor. A couple garlic cloves and some thyme. Thyme has a great, delicate, fragrant, floral flavor that's gonna go really well with the trout. Sauté time. So this is the beginning of the morel and maple jam. It is such a treat to be able to play with morels in this dish. They're really rare and hard to come by, and they only come around once a year, so I feel like a lucky girl. And now for our other player, the maple syrup. And now I'm gonna hit it with a touch of sherry vinegar. It has a lot of acidity. It's gonna really help out that sweet maple I just put into this jam. And now all of this is just gonna cook up, get thick, syrupy, and jammy, and I'm gonna put it over a fillet of trout. So trout is a mild and delicate fish. It only needs a little S&P and a nice sear in a pan, and it's good to go. Now the key to getting a nice crispy skin on this fillet of trout is to throw it in the pan. You want to hear that sizzle and then just let it be. Don't touch it. Now you see that? You can see around the corners of the trout here. They've gotten nice and crispy, and the pink is a little bit lighter than in the center. Exactly what I was looking for. I'm gonna give this a quick flip, and then we'll be ready to serve. That is beautiful, crispy trout skin. It smells so earthy and woody. I can smell that fragrant floral thyme that I steeped in there earlier as well. And now, to top it off with this morel and maple jam. Gotta get all the morels on there. It's ready to eat. Floral, fragrant thyme. And look at that pop of color. It just makes the dish even that much more elegant. All right, time to dig in. Wow, what a treat. That woody earthiness of the Morel really plays off the sweet, caramely maple syrup. Now this fish, one word, yum. Maple and mushrooms. Cheers.